Okay guys, welcome back with me. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. The list of row of work is how big is coin could offer from Bitcoin and the Coin by Fresh Release Augustus 2 to 3 2092. In the conversion market, there are two modes of consensus that the majority of consumers abide by. They are proof of work (VOY) and proof of stake (VOC). Never converters often gravitate towards VOC because of its nominal phase, faster speed, high and security, and impact on time and environment. Bitcoin (BTC) is the pioneer of the country with its four consensus favored the way for 2000 of countries to follow. Its popularity is unfit so much as its market competitors is 1.2 model. As its market competition make up almost half of the whole commodity market, however, its inception was 13 years ago, and the country market has come a long way since. DOGA also tells a VOY consensus algorithm notorious for low transaction speed and high carbon emissions. The lower the Mimi inspired Marcus and Jackson Fulmer to contrast the first Mimi coin in existence. As you know, do Bitcoin grew for beyond the expectation of became so method of a pioneer in the meme coin market. So, how does this affect Big A is coin BIG, and how can it out outperform the fairness of the country and mini coin market? Big Yes coin is built on Ethereum ETH. Although Ethereum is currently a VOY platform, it is getting for a week to VOC. It is the most anticipated event the country market has seen this year. Big Yes coin called 14 million capital thing in of the country market is the dedication to one of the most cruel form of oil performance. The oils has garnered attention from country shows every mortally friendly countries, and the way forward is today what Big ESBEG launch is just around the corner. BES coin the hashtag and became the benefit the user helping. of the tokens will be avoid allowed to giving control of the flutter to the community. A step-by-step guide will show you how to buy BAG later in the article. The Remy manage of the tokens will split equity between a charity and marketing wallet. Okay, that's all for me. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.